Hello, scrappers! Today we're scrapping this Porter cable cordless drill, 12 volt. Look at the rust on this thing. This has been in that garage forever. High-low range. It doesn't even turn. It doesn't even click. Yeah, it does. Professional power tools. I love to use one of these on a job site to laugh at you. So see how much it weighs. Pre-scrap. 2.6 pounds. Let's get the screws out of it. Looks like we got some Torexes. That'll do it right there. Ooh, big steep threads on that. Whee! Not gonna be able to get that one out, but probably don't need to. Whoa, what was that? A heat sink in there? What a big heat sink in there. There. Get the contacts. The MOSFET on there. I wish manufacturers could stick to one fastener. Now we're back to Phillips here. I am liking these coarse threaded screws though. So this can all go in a tin pile. Just the way that is. How do I get this off the motor? I don't think I'm going to be cutting the windings out of this motor anyways. This one is large enough. I might be able to call this one an electric motor at my scrap yard. I noticed you guys got in the comments, I call electric motors smaller ones copper bearing. They got to be big enough for my scrap yard to actually call it an electric motor. So this one's going to get called electric motor. I can leave the crap on it just the way it is. They'll give me electric motor price for it. Just like that. I think I will get electric motor for that. Oh, how do I get this MOSFET off? This transistor. This copper, this plate here is copper. So I'll nip into it a little bit to show you. See it? Oh, you can see it on the edge, the copper. So we got some number 2 copper. These contacts brass. And they bend really hard. Not much in this drill. I bet there's a brass contact in here though. No, that's copper. That's not brass. It's more number copper for the number 2 copper bucket. Got some insulated wire. Cast aluminum. Heat sink. Let's see if there's anything good inside of this. parts go flying everywhere. Not much. So I'm going to throw this in my number 2 insulated bucket, just the way it is, with the wire on it. They'll look in my bucket and they'll see the wire, just like that, number 2 insulated, and some more copper. So that was it. Or powdered metal, or crushed metal, whatever that stuff is. Let's see how we did. So for the tin bucket, got the planetary gears and the screws. Got a pound of tin for the tin bucket. Buckets are getting full and scrap yards are closed till further notice. So I'm kind of sitting on everything right now. Let's go to ounces. Got 1 ounce of number 2 insulated. 1.5 ounces of cast aluminum. Let's see how heavy this electric motor is. I'm going to get electric motor price for this. There's about a pound here. I'm going to start another bucket for electric motor. Just like the bucket for copper, I'll be starting soon. So not too bad. A few minutes worth of work. Make an extra buck or two. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.